Geology Final Project by Stephen Calderon for Class Geology 02. My brochure. This is my brochure that I will be using to advertise my business titled Cretaceous Adventures Time Travel Tours. The brochure reads, "See the T-Rex. Go back in time with our newly invented time machine to see dinosaurs in their natural habitat in the Cretaceous time period 100 million years ago." The entrance. Hello there. I am Steven, your personal time travel guide and founder of Cretaceous Adventures Time Travel Tours. Step right into my time machine and go back in time to 100 million years ago to see the dinosaurs. This is the entrance to my time machine room. Through the time machine. The number one destination for adventure explorers who want to experience Earth's most exciting prehistoric periods. If you're ready to walk with dinosaurs, look at ancient landscapes, and witness evolution in action, you're in the right place. Today, we are offering an exclusive journey to the Cretaceous period, the final and the most spectacular chapter of the Mesozoic era. This is the portal of the time machine. Stop 1. The Brachiosaurus. Welcome to your first stop, and what a tall way to begin. Meet the Brachiosaurus, one of the largest dinosaurs to ever walk the earth. The Brachiosaurus can grow over 80 feet long and can stand up to 40 feet tall. That is as high as a 4-story building. Brachiosaurus are unique because of their long neck, similar to a giraffe, but longer. This lets it reach the tallest treetops, munching on ferns, conifers, and early flowering plants, all while smaller dinosaurs fought for food down below. Despite its size, this dinosaur was a peaceful plant eater, but it could still defend. One swipe of its tail could easily scare off predators. Stop 2. The Triceratops. Our next stop, look over there. That's the Triceratops, one of the most famous herbivores of the Cretaceous period. Look at its 3 powerful horns, 2 above its eyes and 1 on its nose. That's a massive bony frill behind its head. Pretty cool, right? That frill is not just for show. It protected its neck and may have regulate body temperature or even attract mates. This gentle giant may look slow, but don't let it fool you. It was like a tank of the dinosaur world. These horns are perfect for defense against predators, especially ones we won't name yet. Triceratops could weigh up to 12 tons. That is twice the amount of elephants. It used its beak-like mouth to clip on low plants, ferns, and early flowering shrubs. See how it's staying close to the group? Triceratops like to travel in herds, just like elephants do today. Safety in numbers. Stop 3. The Velociraptor. Alright everyone, stay alert. You are now entering raptor territory. Over there is a Velociraptor. Small, smart, and deadly. Don't let its size fool you. Even though it was only about the size of a turkey, this little predator was one of the most intelligent dinosaurs of its time. With a curved claw on each foot and sharp teeth, it was built for speed and stealth. Velociraptors also use their brains. Many scientists believe they hunted in packs, using teamwork to trap its prey. Also, take a close look. It has feathers. That's right. The Velociraptors weren't the scary movie monsters you've seen. They were actually more bird-like, and this makes them one of the strongest links between dinosaurs and modern birds. So if you ever look at a bird staring at you a little too intelligently, maybe it's remembering its dinosaur roots. Stop 4. Plants. Here are some living fossil ferns. These ferns were around long before dinosaurs, and they still grow today. Before flowers took the spotlight, these cone-bearing giants ruled the forest. Conifers like these provided food for large herbivores and gave cover to small creatures. And now this is revolutionary. Do you see those tiny flowers? Those are the first flowering plants in Earth's history. Their arrival changed everything from insect behavior to how dinosaurs ate. It is the birth of a flora empire. Stop 5. The T-Rex. Last stop, here is the king of the Cretaceous. Behind that ridge is the one and only Tyrannosaurus rex, towering at nearly 20 feet tall and up to 40 feet long. This apex predator was one of the most powerful land carnivores to ever live, with a skull the size of a grown adult and a bite forcing strong enough to crush bone. T-Rex didn't just hunt, it dominated. Take a good look at those massive jaws. Inside, over 50 teeth the size of a banana. T-Rex wasn't just a brute, it had a keen sense of smell, sharp vision, and a smart brain for a dinosaur. It could stalk its prey from far away and then rush in surprising speed for such a massive creature, up to 20 miles per hour in short bursts. This majestic beast ruled the late Cretaceous, feasting on everything from hadrosaurs to Triceratops. Map of Cretaceous Adventures Time Travel Tours. This would be the full map of my location, Cretaceous Adventures Time Travel Tours. More facts about the Cretaceous. Pangea's breakup. The breakup of the massive continent called Pangea first started in the late Jurassic, which is the previous time period before the Cretaceous, and most of its effects is noticeable in the Cretaceous time period. This breakup causes effects like changing the circulation patterns of oceans, and this made more heat being moved to north and south poles, making more and hot cold zones on the Earth. More facts. Flowers. Flowering plants first appeared in the Cretaceous. For flowers, the world was dominated by ferns, conifers, and then came flowering plants with seed inside fruits, colorful petals, and sweet scents. These plants spread quickly and adapted to many environments. These plants use a lot of energy to produce flowers, and they do this to attract pollinators. This is done with sugar in the flowers to attract pollinators. In return, the pollen will get transferred from the male part of the plant to the female part to get fertilized to make the fruits. More facts. Extinction. How did the Cretaceous time period end? Many people think it was caused by a meteor, but there was also volcano eruptions in India. These volcanoes made air toxic with sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. This poisoned the water, causing regression on marine life. Dinosaurs like consistent range of conditions, and this made it harder for dinosaurs to live because CO2 caused global warming, while sulfur dioxide caused acid rain. Extinction Part 2. Where did the famous asteroid hit? These are theories that the asteroid hit near the Gulf of Mexico. Today, this is now called the Chicxulub crater, and the asteroid was made of an element called iridium, chemical and platinum type IR number 77. This can be seen as a layer that has been seen in many parts of the world. The image in the middle is iridium layer compared to the size of a knife, showing the time when the asteroid has hit. Here are the sources and info that I used to make this presentation. That is it of my final project, and I hope you for a wonderful rest of your day.